In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to only get notifications for certain emails on Yahoo. This can really help you streamline your inbox and make sure you're staying updated on the emails that matter most to you. Let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. First, open up your browser and head over to Yahoo's login page. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is type in your Yahoo email address. Make sure you enter it carefully to avoid any login issues. After entering your email address, click on the Next button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your password on the following page. Take a moment to double check your password before clicking Next again. Being sure of your credentials ensures a smooth login experience. Now that you've successfully logged into your account, it's time to manage your notifications. Navigate over to the notification settings. To do this, you'll want to click on the settings or the gear icon, usually found on the right hand side of your screen. This is your gateway to customizing how you receive updates from Yahoo. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, look for the option labeled More Settings and click on it. This will expand more options for you to customize your experience further. In the settings menu, you should see a list of options on the left hand side. Click on Notifications from this list. This section is specifically dedicated to managing the notifications you receive, allowing you to tailor them according to your needs. Here, you'll want to enable desktop notifications if they aren't already turned on. Desktop notifications are a useful way to stay on top of important emails without constantly checking your inbox. But beware, turning on notifications for all emails could get overwhelming, which is why this next part is crucial. After enabling desktop notifications, you'll see an option that allows you to customize which emails trigger those notifications. Select the option that says, just the email categories I choose. This is a powerful tool because it lets you filter the type of emails you receive notifications for, allowing you to focus solely on relevant communications. Finally, you'll want to enable notifications just for people. This means you'll only get notified of emails from individuals, which is typically where the majority of important communications come from, like colleagues, family, or friends. Setting this filter helps keep your notifications meaningful and prevents distraction from less critical emails. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Yahoo email notifications to only alert you about the most important emails. This setup will help you maintain focus and ensure that your notification distractions are kept to a minimum, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters in your inbox. Remember, you can always come back to adjust these settings if your needs change in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make managing your email a little bit easier.